So the concept for my video today is I'm going to do a full face of makeup using only samples that I have received in the mail from Sephora or from like my beauty boxes. You know, I've definitely received plenty of samples, enough to do a full face of samples. I'm even going to try to use the brushes that I've received in my beauty boxes as well. There's only a few that I'm obviously gonna have to use something that wasn't a sample, like when it comes to like the bigger brushes. If I even need to use them, I'll try not to. I even have a little mini beauty blender I got as a sample, but I'll probably still use my big one because that's just not practical to sit there and beauty blend your face. So I always start with my eyes. Whenever I do my makeup, I always do my eyeshadow first, and I'm going to use my Laura Mercier eyeshadow primer in the color Wheat. I received this product as a 100-point reward from Sephora probably about a month or two ago. So I consider the 100-point reward samples because they are samples. None of them are actual full-size products. They're just samples, you know, made for you to, even though you're buying them with your points, they're intended to make you buy the full-size product. Alright, so for eyeshadow, I have 3 different choices. I've received this Elizabeth Mott gunmetal eyeshadow from one of my Ipsy bags. That's the color. And then I also received from a Sephora Playbox a Smashbox. It's called Golden Hour Eyeshadow Duo, and here are the swatches for it. I'm just gonna probably use these 2 colors. I might go back to using gunmetal just to darken a line or something like that. Alright, first I'm gonna go in with the brown over the top crease part of my eye. And then this is also a brush I received. It's a Luxie brush I received in my Ipsy bag this month. So I don't know, it's a dual-ended brush. I'm gonna try to use that to do my crease. I don't think I have a blending brush. I do. Oh, I might use this one too. This is a Morphe blending brush I got. M433. I think it's a blending brush. I don't know. We'll see how this works first. The other side of this brush, and I'm just gonna kind of brush it up against the crease of my, I'm just gonna brush it up against my crease. Now I'm gonna go through and blend this with this Morphe blending brush. And I'm gonna dip just a little bit into the gunmetal. Alright, I'm gonna get a little bit of eyeshadow primer that we used earlier. I'm gonna just put that only on my lid, kind of try to line the lower line with it, and then I'm going to get that brush I was using earlier to kind of even it out all over my lid. I'm going to use this pink brush I got in one of my bags to apply the pink over that. And if a brush doesn't work, you can always use your finger. Alright, so now that I have the eyeshadow applied, I'm going to start with my foundation. I like to go in with my Radiance primer right here, and then on the rest of my face, I'll go in with the other primer I have. Now I'm going to go in with this. Both of my primers are by Smashbox. One is the Radiance primer and the other one is Photo Finish. So foundation, I'm going to try the first Cold Press Jose Moran Vibrancy Foundation. The only part where I'm gonna cheat. I have Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. However, this is in the color medium. It's a little bit too dark. So I'm going to use Kat Von D's Lock-It Concealer, but I'm going to use my lighter color, which obviously isn't a sample. However, it's close enough because I do have the sample. So, alright, so I got these Cover FX drops from Sephora, and I think as of right now, if you're watching this video and I've recently posted it, you can type a code in. You gotta look at on the beauty offers on Sephora, but you can type a code in and still get these Cover FX drops with the $25 purchase. So what I like to do is apply the concealer, and then I also like to get these drops and kind of mix them in there. Tarte Fake Awake. I think I got it in my Macy's beauty box this month. I'm not sure, one of the two. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that right here. And basically this is just an under eye brightener. You can also use it, you know, to brighten up other areas as well. Alright, so for contouring, I'm going to use my NARS Velvet Matte Foundation Stick. You can also use this as a contour stick. I have the light color and the dark color. I have the light color and the dark color, so use that. Now that I have my foundation set or contouring done, I'm going to go with my setting powder, and I'm going to use my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Everybody loves this stuff. I haven't used it that much yet. I had the brightening powder, and I used that off. So chances are I'm probably going to use this up too. The way that I blend that is to use a highlighter, so I'm going to use my Opal Becca highlighter. Oh, these samples are so tiny. Hard to... I just, like, literally carved a huge chunk out. It's on my arm. You see it? It's not that big of a deal. Just a little bit. Anyways... Give it a little bit of your highlighter, and then be careful not to go on your eyeshadow. You can get it on your eyebrows because you haven't done them yet. So, and then just get a brush and just kind of, you know, blend in that highlighter that we wrote on. This liquid eyeliner Stila. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Bad Girl Bang Mascara by Benefit. This is a new mascara they have, and if you haven't already used it, you should try it. It will change your life. I'm going to use this highlighting brush I got in my Ipsy bag one time. I think Ipsy gives us the cutest little brushes. this is my rouge brush I got whenever I became a rouge member at Sephora. So I'm going to use that to apply my blush in the color Party by Tarte. Notice this has so far been a really good brush for me for blush. We're going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I also got this as a sample for 100 points at Sephora, and I'm going to use the same brush I used for my highlighting. The last product slash sample we're going to use is this Dior Lip Glow New Glow Squad of colors. We got pink, matte raspberry, and hold pink. Definitely not clear, but I didn't get enough product. Alright, so this is the finished product. For me doing my makeup with only using samples, all the products I used are samples that I have received in the past month or 3 months or so. They're all fairly new products. The Jose Moran foundation was definitely different for me. It was very light coverage and it was very oily because of the argan oil. I can get away with using an oily foundation, but I personally don't like it. So that's that. So I'm going to show you guys real quick a few items that I'm going to be giving away. I'm holding a giveaway on my Instagram. I'm going to be posting it here soon within the next week or so. So be sure to go and follow me on Instagram. My handle is M1ZZ3Z, pronounced Mrs. So be sure to go over there and follow me if you haven't already. And I'm about to show you guys what you have a chance of winning so far. I'm always adding to my giveaways. So this is just what I have collected so far. It's kind of why I haven't started it yet, because I want to buy a few more things and then I want to start the giveaway. So let me just show you what I have so far. So the first thing we're going to look at is the Too Cool for School Rules of Majestic line. These are the full-size versions of the product. As you can see, never been opened, never been used. Rules of Majestic Mild Cleanser, Too Cool for School. This is their their sensitive skin line, I guess you could say. This is their line for, you know, more mature adults, somebody who has sensitive skin, and I think it's more natural than the other products they have. I don't know. Speaking of skincare products, I also have this Glam Glow mask sample set. It's going to come with the Gravity Mask, the moisturizer, and then the Galactic Cleanser. You're also going to get the Cover FX drops, the ones that I featured in the video earlier. I'm also going to be including these little nail tips. Also, Becca Highlighter, the one I featured in the video, I'm also giving away a copy of that. Opal, same color and everything. And then I have the Urban Decay Troublemaker palette. That is going to be this one, and it also comes with a full-size mascara. Or it says travel size, but it's pretty big. It's as big as the palette itself, or it's as long as it. So, and then we got the Kiss set by Bite Beauty. This is going to be a liquid lipstick set. I love Bite's liquid lipstick. And also, it's going to come with... Anyways, goodbye, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, evening, whatever it is, whatever time, whatever's going on in your life. Just know that I think you're beautiful and I love you and I want you to succeed. If you are lonely as well, be sure to go on Instagram and don't be shy. Direct message me. I will message back. I don't have a lot of followers, so I'm always loving to meet new people and make new friends. But anyways, hope you like my videos. Hope you like my future videos. And if you don't, oh well, you know, you can always hit the dislike button. Yeah, I hope you don't. But anyways, goodbye, guys. See you later.